Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Peace Shop family. I'm glad to talk to you. I try as best as I can to communicate you with English. I know myself, my English is not fluency until I use for communication. But life is short. Now I am 66 years old. I studied throughout my life. I can use English just this way. You can give me 10 score or 20 or something like that. But I try as best as I can. I can do this way or just this. Then so because I have a short time, if we compare about 100 years, I have no time to development my English to be fluency until everybody think, oh, your English is good, your communication is good. So I know myself. But I just have good intention to use a little bit knowledge of English to communicate to you. And one thing I can do, I try to find out a good book that communicate good Dhamma for life to you all. I love the book written by Thich Nhat Hanh very much. So what I like, what is my favorite, I try to read and communicate and give some comment to you. All of us need to have a spiritual dimension in our life. We need spiritual practice. If that practice is regular and solid, we will be able to transform the fear, anger, and despair in us and overcome difficulties we all encounter in daily life. So, today we would like to talk about practice Dhamma in daily life. I love Thich Nhat Hanh because he can explain how to use Dhamma in daily life very well. So, I have good intention to let you know the excellent way of practice Dhamma. The really good news is that spiritual practice can be done at any time of the day. It's not necessary to set aside a certain period exclusively for spiritual practice with a capital S and capital P. Our spiritual practice can be there at any moment. As we cultivate energy of mindfulness and concentration. No matter what you are doing, you can choose to do it with your full presence. With mindfulness and concentration, your action become a spiritual practice. With mindfulness, you breathe in you breathe in, and there you are, well established in the here and the now. Breathing in, touching your full all event is a spiritual practice. Every one of us is capable of breathing in mindfully and breathe in and know I'm breathing. That's the practice of mindful breathing. The practice of mindful breathing may be very simple, and the effect can be great. Focusing on our in-breath, we release the past, we release the future, we release our projects. We ride on the breath with all our beings. Our mind comes back to our body, and we are truly there, alive, in the present moment. We are home. Just one breath, in and out, can make us fully present and fully alive again. And then the energy of mindfulness is there in us. Mindfulness is the energy that makes us fully present, fully alive in here and now. It is very nice. It is good. If we go home to ourselves, and if we notice that our body is carrying some tension or pain, is it mindfulness that lets us know about? Mindfulness is what brings us back in touch with what's happening in present moment, in our body, in our feelings, in our thinking, and also in our environment. It enables us to be fully present in the here and now. Mind and body together, aware of what's going on inside us and around us. And when we are very mindful of something, we are concentrate on it. Mindfulness and concentration are the core energetic spiritual practice. We can drink our tea in mindfulness, make our breakfast in mindfulness, and take a shower in mindfulness. All of that becomes our spiritual practice and give us strength to handle many difficulties that can arise in our daily life and our society. Wherever you are, simply becoming aware of your body and whatever state of relaxation, tension, or pain, or when all of them at once in different area, it there you already are realizing some understanding, some awakening, some awareness, some alignment. And when you know that some tension or pain in your body, you may do something to help relieve it. We can say to ourselves, we breathe in and out, breathing in and I am aware of some tension or pain in my body. Breathing out, I allow tension and pain in my body to release. This is the practice of mindfulness of the body. So spiritual practice is possible for all of us. You cannot say, I'm just too busy. I have no time for meditation. No walking from our building to another. Walking from the banking to your office. Or you can always enjoy walking mindfully and free every one of your steps. Each step you take in mindfulness can help you release the tension in your body, release the tension in your feeling, and bring about healing, joy, and transformation. Thank you, Dhamma, and Prasit Butsi. Thank you and welcome to Peace Shop Family. Peace Shop Family has the purpose to spread our love, light, peace, loving, and happiness. Today I bring the writing of Thich Nhat Hanh, the great scholar who point how to practice the Dhamma in daily life. To practice Dhamma in daily life can bring peace. And then start when we get up early morning. We can practice mindfulness to move from the bed to the bathroom and start brushing the teeth and taking a bath or walking, cooking or writing. So we can put mindfulness also. Welcome David Michael Mang. Okay, we go on reading Thich Nhat Hanh work. You have lots of work to do and you like doing it. It is interesting. You enjoy being productive, but working too much, taking care of many things, tire you out. You want to practice meditation so you can be more relaxed and have more peace, happiness, and joy in your life. But you don't have the time for daily meditation practice. It's a dilemma. What can you do? This is book your answer. Every moment is a gift of life. Every moment is a gift of life. It would become the great gift when every moment is full of mindfulness, awareness, and awakening. Is it not every moment is the moment of suffering, pain, worriness, painful? We must change our life. Waking each morning, the moment you wake up, right away, you can smile. Okay, you starting by you can smile. That is a smile of alignment. When you are smiling, you are knowing, you are watching, you are investigating, you are full of awareness. He is called the smile of enlightenment. You are aware of the new day is beginning. You are aware that the new day is beginning. Life is offering you 24 brand new hours to live. Welcome คุณกัลยาว่องทิพย์คงคา Welcome to Pitch Shop. We discuss about the Dhamma in daily life. We start working at early morning. We have the same 24 hours to live, and that's the most gift. You can recite the following poem to yourself, and that's loud. Hello everyone, sadhu sadhu sadhuka. May I bring hello to everyone today. Chayapon Pongpak, welcome. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully and to look at all beings with eyes of compassion. Okay, let's repeat. Waking up this morning, I smile. Okay, we repeat. Waking up this morning, I smile. Waking up this morning, I smile. If you get smiling, you forget smiling. Please smile right now. Waking up this morning, I smile. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I loved it. 24 brand new hours are before me. You think just a brand new clothes, brand new bag, but this is the brand new 24-hour brand new. 24 brand new hours are before me. Okay, repeat that good word. 24 brand new hours before me. 24 brand new hours are before me. 24 brand new houses are before me. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully. I vow to live each moment fully. I vow to live each moment fully. And look at all beings with eyes of compassion. And look at all beings with eyes of compassion. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully and to look at all beings with eyes of compassion. I are waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully and to look at all beings with eye of compassion. You may lie. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. 24 brand new hours before me. 24 brand new hours before me. 24 brand new hours are before me. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully. 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 And to look all beings with eyes of compassion. And to look all beings with eye of compassion. And to look at beings with the eyes of compassion. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully and to look at beings with eye of compassion. Waking up in morning. Waking up this morning, waking up this morning, I smile. 24-hour new brand, 24 brand new hours, 24 brand new hours, 24 brand new hours, 24 brand new hours. 24 brand new hours are before me. 24 brand new hours are before me. 24 hours are brand new for me. 24 brand new hours are before me. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live fully. I vow to live each moment 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 fully. And look at all beings with the eyes of compassion. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live. I vow to live each moment fully. I vow to live each moment fully and to look at beings with the eyes of compassion. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live momentfully. I vow to live each moment fully. I vow to live each moment fully and to look at all beings with eyes of compassion. So this is my low quality of mentality. Each one I can remember. I must repeat 100 times, you see. So not easy to speak English fluently. Okay, try this poem. Waking up this morning, I smile. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully. I look at all beings with eyes of compassion. So when I was young, I must repeat each word 108 times, and I can remember. Like this, I study like this, yeah. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully. I look at all beings with eyes of compassion. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 hours brand new. 24 brand new hours. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully. I look at beings with eyes of compassion. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully. I look at beings with eyes of compassion. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully. I look at all beings with eyes of compassion. It would be good exercise to develop mentality. Waking up this morning. Waking up this morning, I smiled. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully and look to look at all beings with eyes of compassion, and I vow to look at all beings with eyes of compassion. I vow to live each moment fully, and to look at all beings with eyes of compassion. You may lie to say the words as you lie there in your bed. With your arms and legs comfortably relaxed. Breathing in, you say first line. Breathing out, you say the second line. Your neck in breath, you recite the third. And feet into your slipper and walk to bathroom. Okay, remember, you may like this to say words as you lay there in your bed. With your arms and legs comfortably relaxed. Okay, you just relax. Repeat, waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live each moment fully. and to look at all beings eye of compassion. You may like to say this verse as you lie there in your bed. With your arms and your leg comfortably relaxed. Breathe in, you say. Breathe in, you say. Waking up in this morning. Breathe out, I smile. Your next in breath and recite. Breathing out the force with a smile of your face. You sit up, slide your feet into your slipper and walk to your bedroom. Okay. I think is it enough to practice English through Dhamma practice. The main concept of introduction is every moment is a gift of life. When you will have a gift of life, you must move with mindfulness. When you just lay down on your bed, then you are feeling, you are mindfully, you are mindful on that position. In breath, out breath. After that you smile. In breath, out breath. And then you wait for 24 brand new hours before you. That's it, the great gift. Why? Because as long as you are not dying, then you receive 24 brand new hours before you. The present be with you. The gifts be with you. And it's called the gift at the present. Because present is the gift. You present the present as the gift. Grace gift it you are alive again this morning. That's the great gift. We cannot say valuable. It is incountable value or uncountable price you get from 24 brand name hours before you. It has given by the nature. Then how to live? You vow to live each moment fully. You don't ignore, I am alive. I am alive. You take a vow to live each moment fully. Live fully. Incalculable price, right? Is it incalculable price of gift? The gift is incalculable price. 24 brand name hours is the uncalculable price. Incalculable price. It is a great gift. So the moment is a gift of life. So try to be yourself. You take a vow to live each moment with mindfulness. Live fully. That when you are knowing I am alive, it will live each moment fully. Then I vow to look at all beings with eyes of compassion. Incalculable, 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 calculate, calculation, calculable, okay, calculable, you been able, calculable, right? Incalculable, that's a great problem. But I try 108 times, okay? Incalculable, 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 incalculable. If I read, you write for me. Incalculable, incalculable, write that. Incalculable, 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 incalculable. Oh, if I read as a Thai language, incalculable is more wrong. Incalculable, incalculable. If I try to read letter by letter, it would be like that. Incalculable. Your dictionary has only read Thai language. Unfortunately, it has no read in English. What they give about how to read in Thai. But if I read like by Thai tongue, incalculable, 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 or Thai con calculate, like that. That's semantic. Or incountable, or uncountable, or incountable. You are saying correct word. แล้วก็ Thai style. The problem is I read and speak in Thai style. I cannot speak in American style. That's my problem. Sometimes it right, sometimes it wrong. Sometimes semi-wrong, sometimes 100 wrong. That make people cannot understand. This I speak naturally. As I study, as I read. But I try. If I have a good teacher like you, I have a great energy to practice. When I was young, I had no time to study in the classroom. Sometimes I visit those who can teach just the letter of English, and I try to pronounce as I think it is, rather calculate or calculate, because A can be A or R, and O like a McDonald, but here you say McDonald. He didn't pause it. If we read like a Thai McDonald like that, and in America McDonald like that, and if MODEL we read model like that, and Americans say mojo, right? I say Theravada, you say Theravada, okay. You say Therava, like Vada. You're right. I say Theravada. I understand, that's all the matter. Vada mean Vaja or word, Vada, or Vaja or speech, yes. Stephen Camera, how are you today? Will you bring milkshake strawberry for me? I'm here in Hawaii now. Stephen Camera, sorry, you cannot offer me strawberry shake. What's up? I'm good. I'm good. Nice to meet you here. My main man, nice to meet you here. Thank you. Good night. I hope you have a good night. I hope you don't have a nightmare. You have a good night, not nightmare, okay? Okay, my main man, my main monk, your main monk, love you main man. Love bring peace. I went to Pearl Harbor today and study more about the peace. Peace is necessary. Sadhu multiple tree. Great. Very intellectual. After watching theater, I watched to theater today in Pearl Harbor. It let me work hard for peace. My dream. Don't let even people secret my thing. Not about die. Arizona is a beautiful sight. Triple A, awakening, awareness, alert, equanimity, aware, alert, awake, and equanimity. My friend make the new word that mindfulness, awakening, kindness, equanimity brings peace. We can put mindfulness is equal to M. Awakening is equal to A. Kindness is equal to K. Equanimity, that the middle way, surrounded by mindfulness and awareness. Peace, love, happiness be with you. May love, light, laughing, loving kindness, peace, happiness be with you. Thank you. Let's practice meditation together. Okay. In breath, you calm your body. Out breath, you smile. Okay, we practice. In breath, I calm my body. Out breath, I smile. Okay? All beings are friends of birth, old age, sickness, and death. May all living beings be free from dangers. May all living beings be free from hostilities. May all living beings be free from aversion. May all living beings be free from non-violence. May all living beings be free from unsuffering. May all living beings be peaceful and happy. Thank you very much for David and Stephen, two great friends, to my main friend, my honorable friend. You come to participate the program of Peace Family, and I would like to come and self-training for myself. If you like, you come and encourage me to do that. Thank you. I hope both of you are having a peaceful night, a good night.